The apple tree. Emily was a girl. She had a tree. It was an apple tree. The tree grew apples. One day, Emily saw a new apple on the tree. It was shiny and small. Emily picked it. It was a new apple. Emily's mum said,
"Let's make apple pie."
Emily and her mum made a pie. They cut the apple into slices. They put the apple slices in the pie. They baked the pie in the oven. The pie smelled good. When the pie was done, they had a slice. It was sweet and delicious. Emily smiled. She liked the apple pie. The tree gave them a tasty treat. Emily was happy. The next day, Emily went to the tree again. She saw more apples. She picked them. They were shiny and small. Emily's mum said,
"Let's make more apple pies."
Emily and her mum made more pies. They cut the apples into slices. They put the apple slices in the pies. They baked the pies in the oven. The pies smelled good. When the pies were done, they had more slices. They were sweet and delicious. Emily was very happy. The tree gave them more tasty treats. She loved the apples from her tree. And so, every year, when the apples grew on the tree, Emily and her mom made apple pies. It was their special treat from the apple tree, and they were always happy.